The following video will walk you through using our Construction Online client portal. This portal is a great way to track your schedule, send communication, view documents, and sign any required approvals throughout the project. Once you sign your contract, you will be added to your project file and will be emailed a link stating that the client login has been created for you. Please check the email to begin your setup with the client portal. The client login email will appear as follows. Double check the information and then click on the View Project. When your account is set up originally by Oddfellows Contracting, a dummy password is created. Please click on the Forgot Your Password to create your own unique password. And then a password recovery email will come where you can reset your password. Enter your new password and confirm. Click Update. Once you've created your own password, you're able to sign in to your client portal. A quick note, if you log out and forget how to get back in, you can always log into your account from the Oddfellows homepage and click on Client Portal Login here. This will take you to that same place where you can enter your email address and password and log in. We will now go over each of the sections available within the client portal. On the left side of the screen, you will notice options to contact your project creator, edit your password, edit your email address, and also change your notification settings, as well as exit the client portal. On the Overview homepage of the client portal, you'll be able to find options for quick links to client selections, to view your change orders, if applicable, to view any messages, and to view your project schedule. You will also be able to get a quick snapshot of the scheduled work for the current week or for the next 2 weeks if selected. The latest updates in the project are shown for you to view, and you will also be able to see the latest photos that have been added to the project in the photo stream section. From the Overview homepage, you can access the Team tab. The Team tab provides a list of all individuals included in the messaging team group. If you need to contact anyone specifically, you can click on the email icon to the right of their name. While doing so, you can view any details and then also upload attachments to your email by dragging them or into this section or adding a new attachment here, either from your computer or from anywhere else. You can then post that and it will send that email to that contact. The Files tab shows all files and photos uploaded to your project. This includes a copy of your signed contract, a copy of your plans, a copy of your design and pre-construction agreement, and any other documents uploaded to your project. To access the individual file, you will need to double left-click on it to pull up a preview, or you can right-click on it and select Preview. Additionally, you can right-click and download any files. As a note, your access to the client portal will end after your project is completed. If you have any files you would like to save to your personal computer, you can download them individually or print them once they are pulled up. The Photos tab is reserved only for photos uploaded to your project. Access it by hovering over the photos and clicking on Project Albums. You will then see a list of uncategorized photos which you can select to see any of your photos. You will also be able to double-click to be able to preview any photo. And from this tab, you can either share by email, share with Facebook, Twitter, add to Pinterest, or share with Houzz, or download the photos from here. You can also duplicate or move these photos or delete if you would prefer. The Financials tab is separated into either Client Selections or Change Orders. The Client Selections portion will show selections that may have required approval during the design phase. The Change Order section of the Financials tab is a location that you may need to access for change order approvals if required. Any change to your project will require an approval. The change order will be presented on the client link with a description and a cost, as well as a likely impact on the schedule. To approve the change order, click on the green thumbs up, or to reject the change order, click on the red thumbs down. When approving, you can see all of those details, any attachments that may be included, as well as the ability to approve or cancel. Click Approve when ready, and then draw your signature and hit Submit. The Communications tab shows a record of any communication that is done through the client portal. You also have the option of sending emails through the tab by clicking on the Add Conversation green plus sign. Within the conversations, you can upload photos and files. Also, once you have filled out the email, click on the blue Post button to submit to the desired individual. The Calendars and Schedules tab is separated into the Project Calendar and Schedules portion. The Project Calendar will let you see a monthly, weekly, daily, or even yearly outlook of your project calendar, with events specifically showing up in blue for what will be happening on a daily basis, as well as show when things may have occurred, like communication or change order approval. The Schedule portion of the project calendar will give a list of project activities that you can sort through and see when certain things will happen, giving a start and an end date. As a reminder, the project schedule is typically posted for you to access between 2 to 4 weeks after the contract is signed. You will get a notification sent to your email address when the schedule is posted. If you have any questions relating to the Client Link portal, please call us at the office to discuss. We look forward to working with you throughout the rest of your project.